Now, just before we fire the system up, I'll give you just a few facts about the system. As I said, this particular one is a 24 volt system, but we are working very hard at the moment to actually produce a 12 volt system as well, which will be on the same principle. For the demonstration purposes, we've actually added a small sounder just on there. It can be output and go directly to the vehicle's wiring if you wish, which can go straight direct to the horn or to the side indicators, so that either the horn sounds or the side indicators flash when you actually activate or deactivate the system. Now, as I said, this is a 24 volt system. What happens is it's a complete power saving features that we've built in. Initially we're going to fire 24.2 volts into the system to activate the latches. Now, 24 volts on a vehicle is actually a flat battery, so what we'll do is after we've fired up the first time, we'll turn the voltage down and we'll actually activate the system on a lower voltage. Now, once we fire the initial current to the system, there's only takes full power for 200 milliseconds to actually activate the system and fire the latches in. So after 200 milliseconds, the power voltage from the batteries is no longer required and the latches will remain locked. Okay, we'll just give you a quick demonstration now then. Use the key fob. We've actually got the voltage set on 24.2. Okay, power going through to the system, 24.2 volts. What we'll do is we'll activate the central locking via the right button, just to activate. And you hear the sounder has got a prolonged beep to show that it's active. The latch arms have come out and they're in their final resting position there. And what we'll do is we'll take away total power from the system. There you go, we'll actually turn it off. Disconnect the power lead, so there's absolutely no power going through to the system at all. And there you see the latch arms are still active and will remain in that position until you actually apply power and unlock the system. Okay, we'll turn power back on, connect our wire back up. Now we'll deactivate the system. There you go. Okay, what we'll do now is we'll wind the voltage down. So 24 volts is a flat battery. We'll actually take it down to 23 volts. Deactivate the system. Activate. Okay, we'll take it down to 22 volts. There you go, 22 volts dead. And the system's still active. Okay, power supply is on 24.3 volts again, which is just above flat battery condition. Now, the reason why we've taken a threshold and set the level at 22 volts, which we'll just take down to now, is really, if the vehicle has a flat battery, you're not going to get the engine started. But the main thing is that nobody can gain access to your side lockers, which could be carrying very important equipment. Now, at 24 volts flat battery, the locks remain locked. Down to 22 volts, the latches still remain locked. So although you may not be able to operate anything else on your vehicle, you will still actually be able to operate your side locks so that you can gain access to the important equipment in your lockers. And that's down to 22 volts. In addition to the BA Electronics Series 2 remote central locking system, is that you've got your conventional latches here, which are for the side shutters, but we've also manufactured what we call a chute bolt. Now this will work perfectly in conjunction with all the rest of the central locking, so control system, shutter latches and a chute bolt, which is used for back door of a vehicle, barn doors. As you can see, there's a chute bolt which comes out from the front rather than the latch that comes up through that channel. So the perfect addition for any vehicles that need a lockdown on a back door.